Hello, welcome to this lesson again in agriculture, and today we're looking at tool maintenance. So tools are very important in agriculture because they make work easier and they make work fast. So we need them in agriculture. But then these tools need to be maintained. So when we're talking of tool maintenance, we mean the caring of tools. So if we are caring after our tools, we do so by maintaining. So I just want to show you some tools that are here, and I'll just pose a question and ask you what could be wrong with the tools. If you look at the tool that is over there, you'll actually find out that there is some problem with that tool. Let me just show you another tool. Look at that. That's another tool again that has some problems, or that you can actually find a problem around them. Then we have this tool here. Look at this. There's a problem again with that tool. If you look at this tool again, there's a problem with that tool. Okay, let's just go back to the tools. And I want you to just think a little bit and ask yourself what could be wrong with that tool. What do you think is wrong with that tool? Yeah, the tool is a problem in that it is rusting. Okay, it's got some rust, and when a tool has some rust like this, what it means is that it is going to break. It's going to break. Never mind about the sound that is coming from there. But that tool is going to break very soon because of the rust, because the rust will make the tool weak. Then we have this tool here. This tool is a problem because it is dirty. Somebody has just used it. That's a shovel there that has been used, but it was left like that, and with the mud or the cement around it. And very soon it can actually rust, or it will actually start wearing out. Then we have another tool here that I just want you to have a look at. That's a hammer, right? A claw hammer. The handle is broken, and the owner of this hammer tried to fix it by trying the handle. And again, it's still dangerous to use a tool like that because it can actually break again, and the hammer can land on your leg, and you will get injured. These tools here are rusting again, right, making them weak, so you can actually lose your tools very fast. So what can you do with such tools? How do you maintain such tools? How do you prevent rusting? What do you do when the handle is broken? What do you do when the tool is dirty, when it has some soil? So these are the ways that we want to look at the maintenance of the tools that we just want to look at. So tools can be maintained, right, by number one. If you look at that picture there, that guy is lubricating the wheelbarrow. So you can maintain your tools by lubricating the wheelbarrows so that you reduce friction, and the wheelbarrow will move smoothly without much effort. Then we also have here the secateur being lubricated with oil. So you lubricate the tools that have some moving parts so that the parts can easily move. That's a secateur there. Then you can also maintain the tool by sharpening, right? That shovel is being sharpened. So some cutting and digging tools can be maintained by sharpening, okay? Then we can also maintain our tools by applying a thin coat of oil to prevent rusting. So if you want to prevent rusting, you can apply some oil to the tool, right? That's a bottle of oil here. And you can also paint the tools to prevent rusting. Then we have another tool here, which is a hoe, right? We can actually maintain a hoe by cleaning it, right? And there's again a garden trowel here, so you can also maintain it by cleaning it. So all the digging tools, because they get in contact with soil, they need to be cleaned, and that's one way of maintaining the tools. Right, an X here that is being sharpened, that's another way of maintaining the tools like an X. The secant tool again is being sharpened again here. You can sharpen it because it's a cutting tool. So that's one way of maintaining it. A tool like a whose handle has been broken, it could be a hammer, could be a shovel, could be a slasher, could be a spade. You should actually replace the broken handles. So the tool maintenance is done for different reasons. The first reason is you want to increase the lifespan of your tools. So to increase the lifespan of your tools, you need to maintain them. You also want to reduce the cost of replacing the tools. So if you don't maintain your tools, you'll keep on replacing the tools, and that will be costly for you. Then we also maintain the tools in order for them to work well. So the ways of maintaining the tools are, once again, are number one, to cleaning them after use, especially the digging tools. Then sharpening digging tools and cutting tools. Then painting or oiling metal parts to avoid rusting. Then greasing or oiling tools with moving parts to avoid friction. And the last two ways of maintaining tools are to replace the broken handles and to tighten loose bolts and nuts. There are some tools that have bolts and nuts, right? If you look at the wheelbarrow, it has some bolts and some nuts that need to be tightened. A tool like this secant tool has some nuts or some screws over here that need to be tightened if they are loose. So this is how we maintain some tools. Until next time, have a good time. Bye-bye.